Before assembly, wash and dry the car thoroughly. Prepare the spoiler cap. If the car has an original spoiler cap, remove it and clean the surface after the tape or glue. Place the spoiler cap on the edge of the trunk lid. Place the spoiler cap exactly in the middle of the lid. Holding the spoiler cap in place, use masking tape to mark the outline of the spoiler cap. Remove the spoiler cap from the trunk lid. If there is a PPF film, ceramic coating or wax coating on the car, remove a piece of the film or coating so that the spoiler cap mounting tape is glued directly to the car's paint. The spoiler cap mounting location should be thoroughly cleaned and degreased. Remove small pieces of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the spoiler cap and bend them outwards. Then place the spoiler cap on the trunk lid according to the tape marking. Press the spoiler cap firmly and gradually remove the remaining pieces of protective film from the double-sided tape. Press the spoiler cap onto the trunk lid. Remove the protective film from the spoiler cap. We recommend leaving the car in a dry place for 24 hours to allow the double-sided adhesive to bond with full strength.